came closer, hoping you would give me a chance. Who would have ever knew that we would never be more than friends? My railroad white, breaking all the rules. She like a song, played again and again. That girl like something off a poster. That girl is a gun, they say. That girl is a gun to my holster. And she's running through my mind all day. Hey, shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing that na-na-na-na every day's like my eyeballs stuck on replay, replay. Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing that na-na-na-na every day's like my eyeballs stuck on replay, replay. She got me singing. Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing that na-na-na-na every day's like my eyeballs stuck on replay, replay. See you being all around the globe. Now once did you leave my mind? I can afford from night till the morning. Girl, it really changed my life. Doing things I never do. I'm in the kitchen cooking things she likes. My railroad white, breaking all the rules. Someday I wanna make you my wife. That girl ain't something off a poster. That girl is a gun, they say. That girl is a gun to my holster. And she's running through my mind all day. Hey, shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing that na-na-na-na every day's like my eyeballs stuck on replay, replay. Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing that na-na-na-na every day's like my eyeballs stuck on replay, replay.
Find the lovers of the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast and then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. We let the story begin. We're going out on our first date. You and me are thrifty, so go all you can eat. Fill up your bag and I fill up the plate. We talk for hours and